Okay. I remove the valve. I plug these both together. I put a cap. And here's the valve. What I will do is that I will add again 200 psi nitrogen, and in the cycle when the nitrogen is coming from the liquid line and do the process of going on the coil, I will see the difference if it's still clogged, blocked in some part, if is there a restriction in the TXV or somewhere else in the lines. It's very far from here to the condenser. Alright, let's go downstairs and see what happens with the nitrogen.